Right everyone, I'm back. Now, the last time I did a video, we made this little bucket. Well, we actually made that bucket. And that was the mistake I'd made. When I put the things in the bucket for display, I used the original bucket that I made a long while ago. And the one I made the other day is there. So, never mind, it doesn't matter. I also made the candle holder. And it's just made out of a glue stick and then paint the top end with felt bead caps. And we're just going to put that in there because I don't want to lose it. So we've made the brush, the soap, the sweeping brush, the mop, washboard. I could do. Do you know what? But that's done. That was the other mop we made. And they look great, and it's just using, remember, the eyelet. Using an eyelet skewer and just a bit of string. So that's that. And another one there made from lollipop sticks. And just the tube. I don't know if I think I put the other one away. But hey. Now, I made this as well, which was the bird nesting. This can all be painted up. I'm not fussed about that whatsoever. These are the little insects, which are going to be painted, you know. Made it on clay. That needs gluing down, of course, which I think we shall do that. Oh, it's glued into there, isn't it? But it needs gluing down properly. So basically, I think what I'm going to do... Where's my glue? I've got some wood glue here. And I think I'll just swish that about. And then just move it around. That should do. Like that. And that will set. But there's a couple of things I wanted to do. Now, I did have 2 wings like that. It's beautiful. But I seem to have lost one. I'll probably find it on the floor somewhere. I did. Oh, and we made this one as well. The little toadstool family. And I love the way it's dried and they've split. Which is great because that'll make it look more authenticated. I wanted the insects. I'm going to do a couple of insects on these. And so that was the bodies for them. Mum and her 3 children. That's those. And then these were for the ladybugs. So what I'm going to do is just get out the red pen. And we'll just do the ladybugs first. Right, can't use that one. I've just broken it. So we'll only have to have mum and 2 kids. They will need a bit of a varnish, but I'll do that once they're on, and then they will permanently be stuck down. And this kind of work is fine if you have good eyesight. Otherwise, it bloody not. Right. I'm going to use this section if I can do it. What I'll have to do. Now, I'm not sure if I can do this. I'm going to see. Because the mum is going to need 2 big wings. And I have to cut them and shape them. So I've just folded that in half. Now that's too big, obviously. But I'm just going to cut it. And then oh well, I've just destroyed that one, see? But that side's okay, so I'm just going to do another one. I probably won't have a chance to do one for the little ones, because that's the last piece I've got until I find the other one. So see, perseverance is a key thing. There, look, see? Now, and that, see? Will go on there. And those, I'm afraid, if I find the other bit, I shall do them as well. Right, so what I'm going to have to do is to paint this, and I do want to paint it in, let me see what I've got. I need to use a nice, right, I need a nice brune. Do I need a metallic? See, I like this, but I'm not sure if there's anything left in it. Ooh, love that colour. Because we just have to be different. That's all there is to it. We have to be different. Now, where did I put my little pot the other day? I always paint from the lid. That's what I do anyway. This is just for the Acorn. base to give them a nice colour. Right, okay. So that's as far as I need to go with that. Just going to use this now. The black is Bob Ross Black Gesso, and it's brilliant. You don't really generally need much, like more than one coat. Okay, now I'm also just going to do the base of that as well. Oh, we need to finish that off. Bit of a let's move that out of the way. Now we've not finished with this because I do want to, I'm going to have some vine growing up, or leaf or something. Not too sure which. Now, let me give this another shake. I'm keeping the bird's nest the colour it is, and just doing the little dish that's holding it, the acorn dish. And then I think what we're going to do now is to do the base of this. So it has kind of like stuck down, but it'll be fine. I'm not fussed about it whatsoever. So I'm just going to pop that down there. And then what I've got, or what I did have, it might be in this drop, like a paste. There we are. So it's Dreamweaver stencil. It's an embossing paste. But I'm going to use this brush because it's nice and thick, and it'll straighten, or strengthen, should I say, this whole base and give me the texture that I need. And of course after this we will have to let it set. I need my brown back. Let me just see what else I've got in here. No, I don't want that. Oh, do I? I want that for the mushroom, I think. And the red. Oh, definitely. Let me just give them a good shake. Let me just move that out of the way. Yeah, we can have a bit of pink in there. Luminaire paint. That one is, it's in foreign language, so I can't read it. Pink. This is Luminaire, or Lumiere. And this one is a copper, don't want to paste. We can use the yellow, which is Sunburst. And I mean, these can be any colour you want. And these are the silks. So I'm going to have a green, I think. Yeah, let me just give it a good... There we go. And they're really nice paints. But always paint from the lid, if you can. So I'm going back to this one now. So I'm going to paint the stems first. Right, as long as we're still watching. So, now with this little one, let me just finish off doing that bit there. Right. I think with this little one, we're just going to do the pink. Because like I said, it is going to get some little white spots on it. And I love the way it's split there, because it makes it look more natural. Oops. Yeah. Hang on, I might just pop that in there. I'll blend that in. Yeah. So we're just going to leave that to dry. So I've just got to wait for the cement one to dry. It will take a while. It's drying now, but it'll take a while. So again, I used Sunburst from the Silks acrylic glaze. From the same one, I also used Key Lime. I used the Illuminaire, however you say it. Oops. Russet. And from the Viva ones, it's a precious metal colour, and I used that Cerisi pink. But there's no more I can do yet until this has dried and this has dried. See? And then I can sort those out, because I have to take this off of here, and I'm going to glue it to a base here with that, so it'll be down below like that when I put that one back on. So until then, come back for part 3. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.